Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. This right here is HP's 24EC monitor. It is a 24-inch, well, a 23.8-inch diagonal IPS LED backlit monitor, and we're just gonna unbox it. There's also another version of this. It's a bigger version. I chose to get this one because this one was, I think, $40 cheaper or $50 cheaper, and I don't mind saving money. Plus, 24-inch, I think, is plenty big for me, at least. I won't be using it to game. I'm just going to be using it to connect my MacBook and edit videos and just, browse the internet with it. And this monitor was on sale actually for $130. So it's probably still going to be on sale if you guys are watching this video right when it comes out. And it was on sale at Target. We get the power cable, HDMI cable, that's nice, and also the adapter to connect the power cable to, and then the manual, of course. Right over here, this is the stand. It's made out of metal, feels nice, and it looks nice, silver color. Same thing goes for the back of the monitor. This is going to be attached to. It's going to be connected to the stand, and it is also made out of aluminum. There's a quick setup guide attached to the monitor, really nice, making it very simple. And wow, the monitor is light. I can already feel the thinness of the monitor and how beautiful the bezel is gonna look. All right, here we go. Here is the monitor itself. It's pretty light. I can pretty much pick it up with my one hand, but it does not feel cheap. It is HP and it is a good quality monitor. It can also stand up like this. While I'm just holding the monitor, I'll show you the ports. There's a HDMI port, a VGA. I don't think anybody that uses this, and the power. Is there no USB? Okay, so there's only two ports, HDMI and this. Now let's go ahead and attach this. No manual needed, snaps right in, like you heard that. And then this screw, you won't be needing a screwdriver because it comes with this little thing on it. And we're gonna connect this. Let's see, it goes like this, I believe. Okay, so this is gonna slide up on this. Very easy setup, much easier than setting up a TV. Here's what it looks like. It's a good looking monitor. Yeah, the screen looks beautiful without even it being turned on. Now, what I'm gonna do is power it on and show you a quick example of how the display looks like. This is not a full review, it's just simply me testing out and unboxing the monitor. When I connect it on the backside, there's a white LED light that turns on. And while the monitor's not turned on, over here on the bottom, here is all the power buttons and the buttons to navigate through the monitor's menu. Over here, there's a logo that indicates the power button. I'm gonna press it. And there's also a white LED light that turns on over there. Here we are. It looks nice. It is a full HD 1080p IPS display. Looks good to me. And let's play a quick video. This is a monitor. It does not come with a built-in speaker, although some other monitors do, like this gaming monitor that I reviewed, but this one, just take a look at it. So this pretty much wraps up this video. If you have any questions, let me know so I can make another full review of this monitor and then answer your questions there. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.